Alright, let's talk about column totals in Power BI. This isn't just about numbers, it's about getting them right. First, we'll explore different ways to calculate totals. Then we'll make sure you're using Power BI's built-in functions effectively. Of course, DAX formulas play a big role, and knowing them will save you time. Finally, every journey has hiccups, so we'll troubleshoot common errors together. By the end, you'll be handling totals like a pro. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Column totals sound simple, right? But oh, the surprises they hold. First, let's see why they're crucial for reporting. Then we'll dive into the common challenges, because trust me, everyone faces them. We'll also go over pitfalls, like those sneaky calculation errors that throw off your data. And finally, the best practices, because let's be honest, we all want results without the headaches. Ever wonder why column totals sometimes don't behave? It all comes down to the data models. First, we'll explore how these models impact your calculations. Then, I'll walk you through building structured models that work like magic. Relationships matter a lot, so we'll cover why they're key. And finally, ensuring data integrity is non-negotiable. Because a total that lies to you is worse than no total at all. The SUM function, the bread and butter of DAX. We'll start with the basics and then dive into how to use it for column totals. Performance matters, so we'll look at optimizing SUM so it doesn't slow you down. And because mistakes are inevitable, I'll walk you through common errors and how to fix them. By the end, SUM won't just be a function, it'll be your best friend. Alright folks, let's talk running totals in Power BI. Ever tried to track cumulative values over time? This is where DAX formulas become our best friend. We mix in time intelligence functions to keep the calculations smooth, refine them with filters, and then of course make it all visually stunning. Because let's face it, spreadsheets alone don't impress anyone. A Power Query is like the Swiss Army knife of data transformation. Need a quick column totals? We use built-in functions. Want to get fancy? Custom formulas to the rescue. And while we're at it, optimizing those query steps ensures that your system doesn't scream for mercy. Let's turn raw data into something that actually makes sense. Column total errors, every analyst's nightmare. Using the wrong aggregation function is like expecting a fish to climb a tree. Data type mismatches. They'll throw unexpected errors your way. Filter context issues. They can make your totals look more like random guesses. And let's not forget performance bottlenecks, because slow queries can test even the calmest of tempers. Speed matters. Pre-aggregating data saves valuable time. Indexing. It's like giving your database a map instead of a treasure hunt. Reducing unnecessary calculations makes everything more efficient. And for those handling large data sets, incremental refresh is the ultimate game changer. Because nobody enjoys watching a progress bar for hours. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.